I'm gonna show you how to make this.
Yeah.
What's up, my queen bees? It's your girl Amanda, the Buzzed Artist. Welcome back to my channel, a place where you can have fun and let loose with acrylic paint. Today, we're going to be doing another paper mache pop art painting. You might remember this painting that I did about a month ago at this point. If you haven't seen this video, please be sure to go check that out right over here. So I went ahead and scoured through Pinterest, my ultimate favorite black hole of inspiration, and I found some more pop art cool ideas. One of them had to do with eye makeup that was super colorful, so I thought I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna show you how to make a really cool pop art painting with cool eye makeup. Here we go. First thing we're going to need is some sort of canvas, and I'm gonna be using this canvas. This is actually a shoebox which has newspaper clippings on top of it mixed with glue and gesso. So I actually did a tutorial on how to make this step by step, so you be sure to check that out either up here or in the description below. And after some searching, I wanted to find a source material, some sort of picture that I can reference, and I found this picture. I love the eye makeup. I really love the colors, so we're going to be using that. In our drawing adventure, I'm always going to be using a pencil of some sort. Just says H. I'm not really sure what that means. As well as an eraser and a Sharpie. These are always the necessary tools that I start with when it comes to drawing my first step in pop art. So now that I got the pencil work done, go ahead now and Sharpie my lines. Okay, this is always the most stressful part for me because now I'm starting to see all the lines coming together. It's time to paint and lay down some super awesome colors. I went through a quick costume change and I had a quick change of mind too. For the last couple days, I just kept looking back at this painting and thinking, something's missing. a chin. Just gonna go ahead and put in a little bit of a chin for her as well. I know a lot of artists do this, you know, they go back, they finish a painting, they think, you know, they want to give it a couple days just to kind of ferment in their minds. So, and then they end up coming back to it and think, oh, you know what, I could add a little bit of this. I'm gonna like look up a couple of other inspiration pieces and see what they did, and sure enough, a lot of them actually did chins. Her chin is also pretty long, so I'm just gonna cut it down. Yeah, I like that. That's much better. And I'm always taking a step back and kind of analyzing to see what I need to do some more of. So she needs to have more of an angle. Did you guys enjoy this tutorial? If you did, please be sure to give it a like and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, you know what to do, so you can see more fun pop art tutorials just like this one from me to you in the future. If you guys have any other ideas you would like for me to do for pop art, comment below and let me know. I always look forward to hearing from you guys, and I want to thank you again from the bottom of my heart for always being the best, loveliest fans. So I will see you all next week, and remember, love yourself and always have fun with your acrylic paint. See you later. Bye!